Good morning, traders. This is TraderTalk from easyMarkets Sydney. Tony D here. We've got some breaking news. North Korea's just shot a missile over Japan. I did break up on entry. US Pentagon has come out saying there was no threat to Guam or its military establishment or North America. But the reaction from Trump is yet to come. He's seeing very heavy selling here in dollar yen. Dollar yen is the cleanest way of showing risk aversion in Asia, especially with Japan-based news. You are seeing the euro dollar unfazed by this, but you're seeing the Australian dollar with its connections to China and potential blowback here because China's in the firing line because of the lack of keeping North Korea in check. So what you would see is one potential outcome is Trump putting in, or US doing heavier sanctions on all those who deal with North Korea. So Aussie's being hit in anticipation of this. Aussie yen, a combination of dollar yen and the Australian US, is under heavy selling pressure, probably the fastest moving pair in the market at the moment. Now it has support around 85.50, but if it was to break, then it's definitely under more sustained selling pressure in coming days here. If Trump's response is aggressive, then follow-through selling is on the cards. You're seeing Nikkei futures down 400 points. You're seeing US futures down nearly 200 points in the Dow there. So there is a lot of potential risk off. I mean, the market's already moved a lot, but what they're waiting for is the US's response, mainly Trump's response, because he's been very aggressive in warning North Korea not to test more missiles. And this one was the latest provocation where they actually shot a missile over Japan. If you do need an update and you want to see the latest, come through to the dealing room here in Sydney on 1-800-176-935. If you're in Singapore, you can come through on 31583-201. If you're not a member, you want to join and have analysts help you with your trading, click on the link below to join the easyMarkets Active Traders group. The last thing I want to talk about here is gold has broke 1300 overnight. Before this news came out, it was already on a very strong footing. You can see since the open here that it has broken higher, has hit a high of 1324 so far in the Asian session. Settled down a little bit right now, and as we go into the open of Japan, we'll be waiting for any sort of tweet or any sort of headline there from the US regarding their response. Best of luck, traders.